Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 36 power 5 minus 36 power 4. So, remember 36 is 6 power 2, so 6 power 2 raised to the power 5 minus this is 6 power 2 raised to the power 4. So we have a power x power y. This equals a power x times y. We have 6 power 2 times 5, that is 10, minus 6 power 2 times 4, that is 8. So what do? We can decide to express this as summation of 8 and 2. So we have 6 power 8 plus 2 minus 6 power 8. So from here, if you have a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y, I have 6 power 8 times 6 power 2 minus 6 power 8. I can factor out 6 power 8. I have 6 power 8 times this equals 6 power 8. I have 6 power 2 minus 6 power 8 divided 6 power 8. I have 1, right? So from here, I have 6 power 8 times 6 power 2. This is 36 minus 1. So this will give us 6 power 8 times 35. What is the value of 6 power 8? That I don't know. Okay. Let's do it like this. I can have 6 power, this 8, I can express it as 4 times 2, right? This is times 35. And remember, if you have a power x times y, this equals a power x or to the power of y, and this equals a power y or to the power of x, right? So I'm going to switch this using this. I'll have 6 power 2 raised to the power of 4 times 35. This is because I know the value of 6 power 2, which is 36. So this will give me 36 to the power of 4 times 35. So what do I do again? This 4, I can express it as summation of 2 times 2. So this will give me 36 power 2 times 2 times 35. And this will give me 36 to the power of 2. This is raised to the power of 2 times 35. So let's find out the value of 36 power 2. 36 power 2 will be 36 times what? 36. 6 times 6, 36. 6 carry over 2. 6 times 3, 18 plus 3. That is 21. 216. 3 times 6. That is 18. 8 carry over 1. 3 times 3. 9 plus 1, 10. You add up. This is 6, 9, 2, 1, 1296. So 36 power 2. This is 1296 over 2 times 35. We need to find the value of 1296 over 2. So we can express this as 1296 is simply 1000, or let me make use of 1200 plus 96 raised to the power of 2 times 35. Have you seen that? 1200 plus 36 is 1296 raised to the power of 2. Right? So from here, we have a plus b raised to the power of 2 equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. So my a is 1200, my b is 96, so this will give me 1200 squared plus 96 squared plus 2 times 1200 times 96 plus 96 squared, right? So from here, I remember everything here. We'll multiply 35. So from here, we have 1 200 squared. Remember, 12 squared is 144. So 1 200 squared will be 144 00. Great. So from here, we also multiply this. 96 squared, that is 96 times 96. 6 times 6, 36. 6 over 3. 6 times 9, 54 plus 3, 57. 9 times 6, 54. 4 carry over 5, right? 9 times 9, 81. 81 plus 5, 86. 6. This is 11. 1 carry over 1 arcade. 6 plus this is 12. 2 carry over 1. 9216 plus. Then remember, there's no, this one is not there again. So 2000 times 2 times 1200. This will give you 2400. It's 2400 times 96. So let's multiply that out. That's 2400 times 96. 6 times 0, 0, 6 times 0, 0, 0, 6 times 4. That is 6, 4 is 24. 4 carry over 2. 6 times 2. 12, 12 plus 4. 12 plus 2, that is 14. Right? 9 times 0, 0, 9 times 0, 0, 9 times 4, 36. 6 carry over 3. 9 times 2, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. So we add up 0, 0, 4, 10, 0 carry over 1, 3, 2, to 3400. So the next step will be to add up everything together. So we have 144. This is 1,440,000 plus the second. This is, let's consider this one to 3400. Then we consider this one 9216. Let's add up together. So this will be 6. This is 1. This is 6. This is 9. This is 7. This is 6. This is 1. So the next step will be to multiply this by what? By 35. Wow. This is incredible. All right, so let's do that. We have 1679616 times 35. 5 times 6, that is 30. 0 carry over 3. 5 times 1, 5 plus 3, 8. 5 times 6 again, 0 carry over 3. 5 times 9, 45. 45 plus 3, that is 48. 8 carry over 4. 5 times 7, 35. 35 plus 4, 39. 9 carry over 3. 5 times 6, 30. 30 plus 3, 33. 3 carry over 3. 5 times 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Then we consider 3. 3 times 6, 18. 8 carry over 1. 3 times 1, 3 plus 1. That is 4. 3 times 6, 18. 8 carry over 1. 3 times 3, 3 times 9. That is 27. 27 plus 1, 28. 8 carry over 2. 3 times 7, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 3 carry over 2. 3 times 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 0 carry over 2. 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, that is 5. So we add up together. So let's add up together. This is 0, this is 16, 6 carry over 1. This is 5, this is 6 carry over 1. This will give you 10 plus 8, that is 8, 18 carry over 1. Add here, this gives you 7, this is 8, and this is 5. So we are getting 58,786,560. That's our answer for 36 power 5 minus 36 power 4. This is 58,786,560. And 36 is 6 power 2. So we have 6 power 2. Power 5 minus 6 power 2. Power 4 equals 58,786,560. If you multiply this exponent based on the index law, this will give you 6 power 2 times 5, that is 10, minus 6 power 8 is the same thing as 58,786,560. All these are the same. So guys, this is it. And don't forget to subscribe and share if you like this video. Thank you. And see you in our next video. Goodbye.